With many Layer 1 projects stepping up to challenge Ethereum, only a handful of them could actually hold a candle to Ethereum, at least in market cap and network effects. The conflict between Ethereum and Cardano may come down to an upgrade and upgrade war. From the merry hard fork to the vassal, it'd be interesting to see the impact of ADA on the network and how it will pose a threat to Ethereum's existence. Considering Cardano's limitations, is it certain that it will flip the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization? History is littered with networks and products that have strived to enable interoperability and achieve the technical goal without modifying the market share model. There is a similar pattern in the blockchain world. The current volatility in the crypto market has prompted prices to be at the forefront of all discussions and concerns. Considering this logically, this applies to be an unfair way of leaving out other topics from the limelight. Consistently zooming into hourly or daily candles makes it difficult to see the big picture and celebrate the efforts and progress that has been going on behind the scenes in the crypto industry, especially in cryptocurrencies like Cardano. A significant part of the crypto market enjoys Cardano's trail of success. The research-intensive, unrelenting network has been rapidly developing. The Cardano chief, Charles Hoskinson, has never shied away from presenting his optimistic outlook on Cardano. He once said that years of research and development have led the company, Input Output Global, to a point of prominence, saying that Cardano is one of the best cryptocurrencies in the market. There are so many things about Cardano that can get anyone excited. Looking beyond the value of the coin and its price, you will discover that its streaming advantages are already enough to flip Ethereum out of its position. 5 years down the line, Cardano was created to redistribute powers to individuals by pioneering technology with decentralized applications. Surrounded by an outstanding team of engineers working on the project, Cardano parades itself as the first platform in the crypto space to be established on peer-reviewed research and evidence-based methods. Soon enough, Cardano's promise of smart contracts to the platform caused a frenzy of attention for the cryptocurrency. When the Alonzo hard fork deployed, Cardano was able to compete directly with Ethereum for new market share. As a top 10 cryptocurrency project, Cardano is poised for the next tranche of support. Cardano has also managed to stay afloat this market turmoil and is still positioned as a top 10 cryptocurrency project. A bull run is ahead, and as investors flood exchanges in the coming months, Cardano ADA will definitely stand out among them. Ethereum has also contributed to the crypto industry's progress. The functionality that Ethereum has largely pioneered is important in bringing humanity into a future with more decentralized financial services. Ethereum has attracted a great deal of regard as a result of its development tools, innovation, and experimentation that has taken place. But at the same time, it has been recognized that all this innovation is more easily expanded upon and incorporated into a more flexible project such as Cardano. The price of Ethereum fell after the network finalized its famous, long-anticipated upgrade known as the merge. Despite the successful merge that aims on switching the Ethereum network from an energy-intensive proof-of-work consensus to a proof of stake, Ethereum dipped more than 7% below its $1,500 threshold. Experts expected this to happen, and Ethereum is also moving in tandem with traditional markets, especially the Nasdaq Composite. They remain positive about Ethereum's prospects post-merge. Cryptocurrencies like Ethereum are risk-on assets, subject to volatility with the persistence of inflation. The Fed is trying to rein in inflation, thus establishing the fact that its priority is focused on combating inflation before attempting a safe landing. Recent inflation figures have heightened investors' fears that the Fed will likely impose higher rates. Crypto experts say that there has not been much institutional investing in the crypto markets amid higher inflation and less liquidity, except for Ethereum. And this is why there is a lot of excitement around Ethereum's merge and what it could bring to the Web3 space. However, in August, a popular crypto analyst provides certain insight into what could be on the horizon for both Cardano and Ethereum. The anonymous host of Invest Answers told his 443,000 YouTube subscribers that he's been keeping an eye on Cardano ADA to the top smart contract platform, Ethereum. Everything is bleeding against Ethereum right now, but here the ADA ETH pair is down 68% in 1 year. Sometimes it's important to zoom out and see what exactly is going on. It looks like it's putting in a pretty solid bottom very close to that 0.00025 level that should be kind of the bottom for Cardano, he said. He directed the attention of his viewers to the Vassal hard fork, which was facing consistent delays back then, noting that it was a substantial factor that could flip Ethereum. The pair trade here, the option if the hard fork for Cardano is successful and adoption comes back, that'll be a good time to basically flip your Ethereum into Cardano if it goes for a run, he added. This prediction has not been seen, and instead of flipping Ethereum, Cardano got tossed to the 9th position by Dogecoin. So the question is, what is going on? According to Bitboy Crypto, Cardano will eventually surpass Ethereum in market cap and users. He tweeted on October 15th and pointed out Ethereum's weakness, which would be Cardano's advantage. This weakness turns out to be the slow roadmap for the full Ethereum 2.0 rollout. In response to this tweet, Cardano reacted on October 25th by rocketing higher. The moves in equity and the crypto markets provided a nice bout of bullish sentiment for investors who were beaten down for a significant part of the year. Those moves came amid expectations that the Federal Reserve could tone down its outrageous pace of interest rate hikes. Moving forward, it's that time of the year again, when very real frights could be in store for some cryptocurrencies. The shifting pillars of the blockchain market can be a terrifying place, even for the most seasoned individual in crypto speculation. While the global stock markets have generally spiraled in value over the recent years, even the crypto giant Ethereum has not been able to weather the storm. The coin is down more than 70% from its historic high last year. The expectation of experts following the Ethereum merge were cut short as the price tanked in value. These nerve-wracking developments won't be much of a solace to long-term holders. Perhaps next year will fare better and hold brighter news for Ethereum as its technological advancements settle and are fully adopted. The same strategy applies with Cardano as well. Ethereum is more like the market leader, and is very likely to stay that way for a long time. With this, several people have concluded that Ethereum's would-be assassins, like Cardano ADA, which was widely regarded as the zombie blockchain, is perceived to be running on borrowed time, but is still technically alive. Cardano unfortunately does not stand a chance of flipping Ethereum if it continues to be a lender and the foremost smart contract platform. There have been so many Ethereum killers, but none of them have been able to displace Ethereum from its spot. Many of these Ethereum killers tout lower fees, faster transactions, but they have fewer active developers and certain blockchains place less emphasis on decentralization. This is a good point in Ethereum's favor, but Cardano has an equal share of its benefits. The concept of Ethereum killer has been acknowledged by countless crypto projects and media platforms, while many retail investors merely scoff at them. It is not their fault though, as Ethereum has remained undisputed king of dApps. But now, it's not like that anymore. Ethereum's scaling woes started again when DeFi started to take the center stage in 2020, crippling the Ethereum network and exposing its scalability shortcomings. In 2021, the NFTs rallied, but eventually added to the already congested Ethereum network, leading to exorbitant gas fees. The problem that had plagued the Ethereum network are widely considered stepping stones for Cardano's greatness. The network is perceived as one of Ethereum's legitimate threats, maybe even its biggest threat. Many believe that this long-developing project, with the Ethereum co-founder at the helm of its affairs, is naturally heir to the Ethereum throne. But after its Gojin smart contract launch, things went sloppy and other Layer 1 coins continued to soar in value and adoption. Nevertheless, Cardano is one of the few Layer 1 blockchains that has refused to compromise their other characteristics in favor of scalability. And like Ethereum, it has a similar grand vision for the future, which is reinforced by its vast and loyal community. The network's development model also prefers the get it right first time approach, thereby avoiding pitfalls. With several bugs plaguing the Ethereum system, Cardano might get a chance to rise. It is difficult to ascertain whether ADA can surpass Ethereum's market cap, let alone flip the coin. However, with its sound fundamentals, we can expect to see some kind of turnaround soon. But of course, what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.